Good morning. It is raining outside and we are getting ready to drive to Liard Hotsprings. And it's raining out. Here's the truck loaded down. We got our canoe. This is the first time camping in this truck. We have a bed folded up in there. A little bed for Ruben right now. He'll probably sleep outside if it's nice, or in the front seats. Yeah, we're loaded down. We're at our first rest stop, letting Ruben go pee. It's pretty rainy. We are camping in our box for the first time in this truck. Usually we take the van, but the van needs some work. So first time camping in the truck. It's raining a lot here, so it's leaking a little bit back there. We're hoping that nothing gets too wet. Yeah. We just met a guy at the rest stop who's biking from LA to Prince Rupert, so that's like really far. And it's super rainy, super cool to chat with him and connect. I love meeting people along the way. So we are almost at the Miziata Junction. It is sunny out. We knew that we were heading up north and that the sunshine was gonna come out. We're letting Ruben out for a pee and some water. It was raining, so we were just checking to see if anything got wet in our box. A little bit of wet, but not too bad. Almost June 1st and there's snow. We're driving up north. Look at that! There's snow and it feels cold. Ah, babe.
Oh yeah.
Is it too toasty out for you? You're hiding under the table? We're gonna get back on the road soon. Okay. Ruben would like to go because it's too hot. And there's no lake for him to swim in. Oh, the tantrum begins. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going. I'm sorry.
Okay.
So we just got to Dee's Lake. I think we just drove about 7 hours. There hasn't been like any cell phone service the whole way, so that's kind of crazy. I wanted to call my parents and tell them that I'm still alive, but I can't do that. It's super weird. Yeah, we're gonna camp out here for tonight. We're both pretty tired. We're gonna go and find somewhere to, set up camp and hopefully maybe by a lake because we have a canoe and Ruben likes to swim. So, yeah, we're gonna see if we can figure that out. Ruben, don't eat the bird. Oh, that was, Ruben is scared of you. Oh my gosh. Is it good? Yeah. Good morning. No, Ruben, stay down. Excusez-moi, I'm not talking to you. We are in Dee's Lake. Sleep in the truck was good. Yeah. We met some people last night randomly that let us use their Wi-Fi so I could text my parents. It was super nice. Everyone's very friendly here. Because they have no cell service, everyone has landlines, which is kind of strange. I look hella wrecked right now. Time to get up and eat some breakfast, and apparently there's a community garage sale here, so I might check that out. And then we're 2 hours away from Watson Lake in the Yukon, and I don't really know how far we are from Liard, maybe like 3 hours. Yeah. It was really good sleeping in the back of the truck though, nice and spacious. This is our little cook setup. Yup. In front of our nice little camp spot that we found last night. Made a fire. We went canoeing. We saw 1,000 ducks.
Mergansers.
What are they called? Waterfowl?
They're all waterfowl.
Oh. Muskrats apparently. I wasn't here. Apparently there's a bunch of wolves out here, which I also was not aware of. But yeah, it's pretty nice. The sunshine's coming out. Time for some foods. To make a breakfast. Ruben wants a breakfast too.
You want an egg, bud?
He's gonna just... You're toast it. Hopefully he doesn't... It's gonna be too heavy. Ah, Ruben, you didn't do very good. Oh, he's running away.
Oh, this is...
Is it still? It's still intact?
Yep.
Crispy. So we just left Dee's Lake. We were lucky to come upon a garage sale, a community garage sale, and found some cool stuff. So that was really awesome. We are currently looking for
Okay, so we're not there yet.
Did you find it? There's apparently
right here.
on the map.
Cassiar Road.
Are you sure?
Yeah, and then it goes to
Oh, okay.
Cassiar, which is
There's an
a
abandoned tent.
locality.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
There's an abandoned... on the map it says Cassiar, and then in brackets abandoned. We're like,
I want to say it would be like an old mine or a mill.
we're gonna suss it out, but we're trying to find it.
A little ways up still.
Here we go, babies. Hi, Ruben. We're in Jade City, where they mine jade, and it is super cool. They have a bunch of raw rocks that you can buy, and petrified wood. And then they have a store filled of a bunch of jewelry. Super cool. It's just snowy up here in Jade City. Where is he?
Right there.
Hi,
Oh, he's got a
homie.
mouse.
Oh, you got the snack. We're at the Yukon. So quiet. Do drop sign in gift shop.
Can you put up your own sign?
I think that's what people have been doing.
Yeah,
Is people just put up their own signs.
that's pretty cool.
This is really neat. So, it reminds me of Alice in Wonderland. There's like chairs everywhere. Look at this one. Oh, it's so cool. We're just leaving Watson Lake in the Yukon and heading to the Liard Hotsprings. Apparently the hot springs actually closes at 10 o'clock, and so we have 2.5 hours to get there, and then I think we might have like an hour to chill in the hot springs. It's a really massive natural hot springs that's like free to go to, but I think they put some sort of electric fence around it to protect people from the wildlife, and they close the gate at 10. So we're trying to rush to get there. I'm super tired, just sore from sitting, and then we're gonna find a campsite.
Thank you.
Making some tea. Open the lights. Okay. Hey, babies. Every time I get firewood. Is that my stick? You take my stick? We're making breakfast. Very loud by the rushing river. It's very pretty though. I'm making a YouTube video. There's a little trail. It's so beautiful. As always, I look very haggard in the mornings. Had a pretty good sleep, found the spot super easily. It's super beautiful. I wish that I had more energy to do the hikes. It's been a little bit hard with having the disorder. We kind of keep everything to what is accessible by the truck, and then we just kind of hang out and do a little bit of walking, but besides that, lots of exhaustion and just tremors and stuff. So, but it's super nice to be able to get out into the forest and do camping. So we left Liard yesterday. We're probably like 10 minutes out of Liard, and we're gonna head out back the way we came. So we're gonna go to Watson Lake today again and kind of spend the day there, see if we can find anything interesting. I saw maybe a museum. But yeah, it's been a good trip thus far. We saw buffalo the other day, which was really cool. We're just having a good time. And I think we're gonna try and take some engagement photos in this forest, because I got to engage on Monday. Ruben with his stick. Oh my gosh. He thinks I'm looking for firewood and he wants every stick that I bring back. But yeah, we're here because it's our 2-year anniversary, and we like to travel, do a little camping trip every year for our anniversary. So hopefully I can clean myself up and not look so disheveled and take some photos. He's napping like on a log. Ruben has a bunch of, what are they? Seeds?
Yeah, some sort of
Sticky seeds
tree seeds.
all over his body. And so we're trying to brush them out with my pink comb. He seems to be enjoying it.
Piles.
There's cows so slow. Just taking his time.
Oh, yeah.
He's not in a hurry. And then there's babies over there. Probably can't see because my camera is shit. Oh, no. You
Hello,
stay
bud.
there. Oh, I want to come to window. So we're back at Dee's Lake. We want to stop here for some gas, and the gas station is closed, but it is I think it's like 8:30, and it looks like daylight. It's pretty cool. So probably gonna stay up a little late, go for a canoe. We already had dinner in Watson. I can't tell you how many hours we drove to get here. I think it was 5, and then we have a 7.5 hour drive tomorrow. But yeah, we're camping at the same spot that we camped at when we first came to Dee's Lake. And it's super nice. Like, we have water. It makes Ruben happy. He can go for a swim, we can go for a canoe, and lots of trees so that we can have a fire. But feeling pretty tired. Looking forward to going home tomorrow. Yeah. I can't even see you. What's Daddy doing? Is he getting us firewood? That's a boatload of sticks. And Ruben thinks they're all for him. Whoa. It's day 4 of our trip. We just had our 3rd night. We stopped back in Dee's Lake because the gas station wasn't open for us to go further. Feeling pretty tired. We have about a 8-hour drive today. So yeah, just made a fire. Getting the camper ready to go. The truck, we have a flat tire though. Mr. Rubes is a sleepy boy. I can't even tell that it's flat now because you're not in there. This tire was looking a little flat.
There's a screw in the top of it.
On the very top?
On the other side.
Oh, there it is. Right there. There was a screw in that tire. Oh, now it looks flat. Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, fill it up. Make it home, hopefully. It is full of screws in here. This probably should have been our first guest. Nice and beautiful this morning. Muster up some energy to drive home. We're at Miziaden Junction, about 2.5 hours away from home. I think we've been driving for like 5 hours now. Kind of been sleeping off and on. Josiah's a trooper. He's been driving this whole way. His truck is standard, so I don't know how to drive standard. And also he just prefers to drive, and I actually can't drive right now either because of my disability. So yeah, we're almost home. Looking forward to getting home. Probably order pizza for dinner. It'll be nice to see the fam and get back into the swing of things. Super tired though. I think it'll be nice for all of us to get home.